In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the Insert key for controlling overtype mode in Microsoft Word. This is a handy feature for anyone who frequently edits documents and wants a faster, more streamlined way to toggle between insert and overtype mode. First, let's start by opening up your Microsoft Word document. Make sure it's the one you're looking to edit, or just open any document to practice these steps. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will take you to a new menu full of options related to your document settings and properties. Now from this File menu, look for the Options button. Clicking this will prompt a dialog box to appear. This box is where you can adjust various settings in Word, allowing you to customize how the program behaves. It's a useful place to get familiar with if you want to tailor Word to suit your specific needs or preferences. With the dialog box open, you want to look for the Advanced section. Once you click on Advanced, it will reveal a list of various settings you can change. Now you're looking for an option labeled Use the Insert key to control overtype mode. Typically, you'll find this option under the Editing Options tab, so keep an eye out there. Make sure there's a check mark in the box next to this option. By checking this box, you enable the feature that lets you use the Insert key on your keyboard to switch between insert and overtype modes with ease. After you've found and checked the correct box, you'll want to save your changes. To do this, simply click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This will apply the settings, and now you've successfully enabled the feature. And just like that, you're all set. Now, whenever you want to switch between inserting text and overtyping existing text, you can simply hit the Insert key on your keyboard. It's a small change, but it can significantly speed up your workflow, especially during editing sessions involving lots of rewriting. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your text editing experience in Microsoft Word a bit more efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tips like this, and feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments below. Have a great day and happy editing.